Hello, my name is Iger and I'm a motion designer. Before the tutorial begins, I'd like to say that firstly, this template intended to be on sale at videohive.net, but after all, I've decided to upload it here for free. That means that you can use it freely for your commercial and non-commercial works. And now, straight back to the tutorial. Right after downloading, you'll have a folder inside of which you'll find two folders which contains of a black version of logo and white version of logo, read it file which you have to read, example video where you'll see two versions black and white together, and the tutorial which you're watching. So today we're going to talk about the black version of logo because it's pretty much the same as, and everything what I will say will work for white as well. So let's open it. Inside of this folder you'll find footages folder, untitled project.aep file, the text report file, example video, and untitled project AEP file as well. So what's the difference between these two versions? Untitled project.aep will work only for Adobe After Effects CC 2018, which I'm using, and this file will work for any other versions of Adobe After Effects since Adobe After Effects CC 2014. So let's open the first one because I'm working in Adobe After Effects CC 2018. Right after opening your file, you'll see that you have 4 compositions: edit composition, change logo composition, to render Full HD, and to render 4K. So let's just go through each one. Edit composition contains of all of files which you have in this project. In this composition, you have to change your logo, so you have to put your logo right here. To render compositions are the compositions that you have to obviously render. So if you render this one, you'll have Full HD, and if you render this one, you'll have 4K. So let's for example change your logo. I have to go to the change logo composition and delete everything what's in here. We're deleting it. And obviously we have to find our logo. In my case, it will be this one. And I put it right into my Adobe After Effects and as composition. Okay, so here we go. I have my logo and I have to make it white because in this case only white versions or colorful versions of logo will work. Go to right click, layer styles, and color overlay, and I make it white. And I'll do this a bit smaller. To open scale, I just put S on my keyboard. So right now I've got my logo inside of this composition, and I go to edit composition back. We can see that right now everything has changed and everything contains of our logo, our new one. So it works pretty well. But we see that our text here is like I want to make it a bit lower. So to do this, I just select my text and just put it a bit lower. And it works pretty well as well. And right now I want to change my text here. So I just grab my text tool, I select my text here, Command A to select everything, or Ctrl A, and I write something like this. So we can see that it works like pretty well right now as well. Also, if you do not want to have your text inside your logo reveal, you have to click this button to show everything what's inside of this project, and you have to just uncheck your 2 text layers, these 2. And right now we do not have this. What if I want to make my logo be a bit lower? So I have to untick this lock button, grab our logo and just put it a bit lower, and it works pretty well. So everything works. Also, right here you'll have a color correction layer. So if you click on this and you go to Effect Controls, you'll see two slots. First one goes to the text color. So if you change the color here, for example for the red one, your text color right here will be changed. And if you go to the background CC and if you change the color here, for example to the dark blue, you'll have your background color changed. What if I want to render this? I go to render composition and just go File, Export, Add to Render Queue. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using this glitchy template and let the motion be in your life. Cheers!